Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to download videos from Temu. Alright, let's begin. First, you want to open the Chrome browser and search for temu.com. After that, if you want to download a product video, what you need to do is download the Temu image downloader. For that, click on the extensions icon at the top and select Manage Extensions. From here, you want to click on the Chrome Web Store, and here, simply search for Temu Image Downloader. From this page, select the extension I'm selecting and then install it onto your browser. So after you've added that, you want to go back to Temu, and from here, click on your extensions and select the new extension icon. Now you will be able to see all of the available images. You just need to switch to the video section and then download the target one. So that's basically how you can download videos from Temu. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.